What's up, guys? Back with another video. It's your boy the Red Darrow here, and you already know what time it is. We're back again with another video. Today we're gonna be doing landing and rating competition, but this time it is General Aviation Edition. So we're gonna get this started. Let me call up the boys. Alright, boys, I am now recording. Alright, so first plane, go ahead, line up. First plane, go ahead, line up. There we go. Alright, everybody else, you're gonna need to wait. We're going one by one. Alright, you're free to take off whenever. I was laughing up a storm. Alright, go ahead. Alright, there he goes. And my friends are gonna also be helping me rate the takeoff. So guys, help me out here. Let's see if you could do it nice and easy. Pretty galley, pretty galley. Uh, if we would have pulled up slower, that would be pretty good. That's a 9.5 for sure. That's a 9.5 for sure. All right, next plane. Oh my! These boys are so impatient. Jesus. All right. All right. All right. You're free to take off whenever. Very nice looking plane. Look at that. Oh my. All right. There it goes. Everybody else, when you have taken off, just enter a nice circular pattern above the airport. All right. Now that was beautiful. That was a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. He pulled up nice and slowly like it's supposed to be done. All right. And boys lining up on the runway. All right. Beautiful. Wasn't slow like my boy up there, but that's totally a 9.5. All right, next plane. All right, Airville, trust me, you can redeem yourself. He said, "Oh, I will." All right, mark his words. Oh, that was beautiful. Oh my gosh, that was beautiful. These are some very good takeoffs. I'm giving that a 9.5 for sure. All right, take off whenever. Beautiful. That was beautiful. The hang time on that was a little bit too fast. I'm gonna give that a 9. All right, next person. Let's go. Come on. Oh, it's you again. Well, we're just gonna see you go again. Let's see if you can make your. Let's see if you can do better this time. Actually. All right, take off. Then see how he does. Oh, beautiful. That's for sure a 10.5. You redeem yourself like crazy. All right. Oh, coming in a little bit too fast. Let's see how. Let's see. Coming in a little bit too high too. Yeah, he took up way too much of the runway. That just messed it up for him. Ah man, that was a good landing, but you did take up a bunch of the runway. I'm gonna give that. I'm gonna give that at least 8.5. All right, here comes Vin. Hey, dude behind Vin, go ahead, wave off, dude. Jeez. Cessna behind Vin, go ahead, wave off. Thank you. Jeez, my boy was finna come, right? All right, Vin, you're looking pretty good. Let's just see if you could butter this baby. Yo, whoever's in a jet, bro, please get out of it, bro. Oh my gosh. All right, let's see if you can butter this baby. Oh my. Oh, his nose were. Aw, dang, he just messed it up. Oh no. Oh no. That's low key a 8. Low key. All right, Cessna coming in. Oh, that's not a Cessna. He's going. No, let's see if we can butter it. Took up a bunch of the runway. That's bad. It's a butter though. I'm giving that a 8. All right, next person. All right. All right, everybody up. Nah, that was an 8, bro. You took up more than the runway, dude. Sorry.
More than the runway? Dude,
Yeah, you took up a lot. All right.
Like, I found the key thing to.
All right, mute your mic, bro. All right, coming in. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that was hard. Oh my. I'm giving that a 7.5. That was pretty hard. We have anybody else in the air?
Bro, you gave a hard landing, a 7
Alright,
out of 10.
that was everybody. Alright guys, if y'all like the video, comment down below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the video. You know, we got some people that are salty about their grades, but you remember, bruh, y'all started off at a good start, and I'm confused on how the landings messed all the way up. It was just, it was horrible. But you can always try again because we're always gonna make more videos like this. If you want to see more content like this, comment down below. And peace out, boys.